Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest tools on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best amazing tools of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Router. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Router is a powerful and versatile tool designed for woodworking and other routing tasks. As a part of DeWalt's 20V Max XR lineup, it features a brushless motor, which provides enhanced efficiency and longer runtime compared to brushed models. This router is sold as a tool-only option, meaning it does not come with a battery or charger, making it an ideal choice for users who already own other tools from the DeWalt 20V Max system. Key features: brushless motor. The brushless motor ensures high performance and durability, allowing for smoother and more precise cuts. Cordless convenience. The cordless design provides greater mobility and flexibility, eliminating the need for a power outlet and reducing cord management hassles. Ergonomic design. The router is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring a compact and lightweight form factor that reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Product 2. Product name: Zenith by Danco ProBar. The Zenith by Danco ProBar ZN700101 is a versatile and robust multi-tool designed for heavy-duty applications such as salvage, wrecking, and demolition. This tool excels in efficiently removing large floor tiles, planks, framing, subflooring, and decking, making it an essential addition to any toolkit for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Key features: multifunctional design. The ProBar ZN700101 combines multiple functionalities into one tool, eliminating the need to switch between different tools during a project. This makes it highly convenient and time-saving. Heavy-duty construction. Built with durability in mind, the ProBar is made from high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of tough demolition tasks. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. Product 3. Product name: Microjig GR Ripper. The Microjig GR Ripper GR 100 Plus GRP 11G 3D push block is an advanced table saw accessory designed for enhanced safety and precision in woodworking. This tool is particularly suitable for table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. The GR Ripper's unique 3D push block design allows for precise control over the workpiece, providing 3 directions of force: downward, inward, and forward. This ensures stability, reduces the risk of kickback, and improves the quality of the cut. The inclusion of a 1/8 leg allows for narrow rip cuts, further expanding its functionality. The yellow color of the GR Ripper not only makes it easily visible in a busy workshop but also aligns with MICROJIG's emphasis on safety and innovation in woodworking tools. Given your interest in various high-quality, specialized tools and equipment, the Microjig GR Ripper could be a valuable asset for ensuring safety and accuracy in your woodworking projects. Product 4. Product name: WorkPro Folding Roller Stand. The WorkPro Folding Roller Stand Height Adjustable is a versatile and robust tool designed to enhance woodworking projects, particularly those requiring support for long workpieces. With a heavy-duty 250-pound load capacity, it is built to handle substantial weight, ensuring stability and reliability during use. The height-adjustable feature allows for customization to match various working heights, making it adaptable to different tasks and user preferences. This roller stand is ideal for outfeed support in woodworking, helping to facilitate smoother and more efficient handling of materials. Its folding design ensures easy storage and portability, making it a practical addition to any workspace, whether in a home garage or a professional woodworking shop. Given your interest in various tools and devices that enhance both functionality and convenience, such as the Worx WX066 Sidekick Folding Work Table and the Frozen Sonic Saber Cutter, the WorkPro Folding Roller Stand complements your collection by providing reliable support and flexibility for your woodworking projects. Its sturdy construction and ease of use align with your preference for high-quality, efficient, and user-friendly tools. Product 5. Product name: Orion Motor Tech Ball Joint Press Kit. The Orion Motor Tech Ball Joint Press Kit is a heavy-duty tool designed for the efficient removal and installation of ball joints in most 2WD and 4WD cars and light trucks. This comprehensive kit includes 4x4 adapters, making it versatile and compatible with a wide range of vehicle models. It is engineered to handle demanding tasks, ensuring durability and reliability for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Key features: heavy-duty construction. The tool is built from high-quality materials to withstand high pressure and provide long-lasting performance. 4x4 adapters. These adapters enhance the kit's versatility, allowing it to be used on various 2WD and 4WD vehicles. Comprehensive kit. The kit includes all necessary components to effectively remove and install ball joints, reducing the need for additional tools. Product 6. Product name: DeWalt 8V Max Cordless Screwdriver. The DeWalt 8V Max Cordless Screwdriver, DCF 680N2, is a versatile and powerful tool designed for precision and efficiency in various applications, suitable for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. This screwdriver stands out due to its gyroscopic motion activation, which allows for intuitive control. Users can simply twist their wrist to engage the motor and drive screws with precision, making it an excellent choice for tasks requiring fine control. Key features: gyroscopic control. The innovative gyroscopic motion activation technology enables users to control the speed and direction of the screwdriver by twisting their wrist. This intuitive feature enhances user comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use. Compact and lightweight design. Weighing just over 1 pound, this cordless screwdriver is easy to handle and maneuver, even in tight or awkward spaces. Its compact size ensures that it can be used comfortably for extended periods. Product 7. Product name: Heavy Duty Tool Bag. The Heavy Duty Tool Bag is a versatile and durable storage solution designed to meet the needs of professionals and hobbyists alike. This specific model, a 15-inch, 16-pocket portable toolbox organizer, offers ample space and organization options for various tools and accessories, making it an ideal choice for mechanics, plaque engineers, and other tradespeople. Key features: size and capacity. The 15-inch length provides a compact yet spacious interior, suitable for carrying essential tools without being cumbersome. Equipped with 16 pockets, this bag ensures organized storage, allowing easy access to tools of different sizes and types. Durability and construction. Constructed from high-quality, heavy-duty materials, the tool bag is built to withstand the rigors of daily use in demanding environments. Reinforced stitching and robust fabric enhance the bag's durability, ensuring it can handle heavy tools and rough handling.